Hi team. So in this assignment, we are going to do a electricity bill generation. So this is very everybody knows this one. Okay. So the similar requirement I'm giving. Right. So this is bit tricky, very challenging also for beginners. Not only for beginners, for other developers also. Right. So basically, you need to generate a electricity bill based on some conditions. Okay. So we will take a three scenarios. Okay, we will take a three scenarios. After that, I'll based on these three scenarios, you need to write the program. Scenario one. Okay, customer there is a customer called A. He consumed only 49 units. 50 units means if any consumer consumed 0 to 50 units, you need to charge per every unit 1 rupee 50 pice. If you are from other countries, you can convert into your local, uh, you know, local currency. So if you are correcting from United States of America, you can use dollar, 1.5 dollars per unit. So as you know, guys, everyone will not use only less than 50 units. Somebody will use more than 50 units, right? If anybody using between 51 to 100, 51 to 100, the calculation should go in this way. For the first 50 units, each unit cost is 2 rupees. For consumption from 51 to 100, it should be 4 rupees. Means when somebody use 60 units, then scenario 1 is calculation is not applicable. You no need to consider scenario 1 calculation at all. If somebody used between 51 to 100 units, scenario 1 calculation is not applicable for here. Same thing here also for scenario 3. If somebody consumed more than 100 units, means 101 onwards, 101 onwards. Okay. So then for the first 50 units, you need to charge 2.5 rupees. And for consumption from 51 to 100 units, 4.5 rupees. And for consumption above 100 units, each unit cost is 6 rupees. So when somebody using 150 units, you should not consider scenario 1 at all for calculation. Scenario 2 is also not linked with that particular calculation, because when somebody uses greater than 101, greater than equal 101, so scenario 1 2 calculation not correct, it's not required. Okay, so this is all about how you need to charge and all. Okay, but if you are in India, you know very well. Okay, there is a service charge, there is a customer charge and all. Okay, apart from this particular based on the based on the consumption, the unit prices are decided. Now we are charging a service charge. 100 rupees is added to the final bill. Means once you get the output here, the value. Okay, once you get the some amount here, or once you get some amount, maybe you will fall under either scenario 1 or scenario 2 or scenario 3. Irrespective of the scenario, you need to add 100 rupees as a service charge on top of your consumption bill. Then if somebody over usage charge, somebody usaged more than 200 rupees, then the consume more than 100, okay, you have to charge. Okay, if somebody used more than 200 units, then sorry, more than 100, you have to charge service charge as a 200. So which means that 100 rupees service charge only for the people who consumed between 0 to 100 units, and service charge 200 rupees, service charge is 200 rupees for the people, for the citizens who consumed more than 100 units. Okay, this is the requirement. So you can take this one 40 units as a one test case, the other test case 80 units, the third test case is 150 units. You can change as your wish. You can change the number of consumed units finally. And for this program, I'm not giving what are the variables are required and all. You can decide because now you know because you already did 9 assignments before this, so you should aware what are the variables are required and all. So from there you will think logically. That's all about this particular assignment.